Let me tell you a story about a team with a dream. Though you never would have guessed we were bound for glory. Cause everyone just seemed to think that our ideas were nothing more than science fiction. But Motorola, we were on a mission. So on April 3rd, 1973, up in NYC, Motorola did something that the world had never seen. We made the first call on a mobile cell phone. And did I mention that we invented that cell phone? 44 years after the Dawn Attack and the Razors, Moto never stopped being makers, do as creators, unstoppable innovators, technology game changers. So say hello Moto to the phone trendsetters. Did we make the smartest smartphone ever? Different is better.
Everybody wanna take my picture. Number 4, I'm a 10 on the Richter. Name fresh on your lips like a swisher. Won't be nobody else that's sicker. Even at my worst, I'm still the best. Bad love for myself, won't settle for less. Boys up when this life puts you to the test. I'm going up, I ain't got no time for stress. New attitude, new point of view. Taking on the world, it's a whole move. New attitude, new point of view. Taking on the world, it's a whole move. It got me feeling brand new. It got me feeling brand new. Now I'm feeling brand new. It got me feeling brand new. It got me feeling brand new. It got me feeling brand new. Now I'm feeling brand new.
Hello, Moto. Hello, Moto. Hello, Moto.
Hello, Moto. They don't make 'em like me no more. One thing I know for sure, they don't make 'em like me no more. Shining like a supernova, brand new code hanging on my shoulders. I got what you need, I'm your main controller. So hop right in and don't take it slower. Get on up to my cloud, ain't nobody here's taking us down. Hit 'em with the rhythm, banging that sound. That's when we get 'em, hit the whole town. Got what you want, I got what you need. You bring the lock, I got the key. Come turn me on, can't get enough. Don't fit the box, don't fit the mold, cause you know I just tear it up. They don't make 'em like me no more. They don't make 'em like me no more. Make 'em like me no more.